Hello, good morning, Mama Pig. Share lang with the piglets. Up, share. Share lang, little one. Opo, you're asking for more milk? Habibi? Uy, Budoy, how is your feet? Wawa naman ang Budoy ba? Wawa naman yan. Hello. No fighting walang iiyak. Share lang, bibi. Share lang. Hello, how are you, baby? Bo, sad naman yung baby ba? Bo, bigat. Ilang kilo yung baby? Bo. Kuchik. Kuchik. How are you? Oh, share lang, baby. Yan si Ma'am Pig, nag-big breakfast. Second breakfast na yan. Hello! Wow, behave ba? Wala masyado noise, Hindi masyado maingay today. Minsan may nag-CRY. Sino nag-CRY? Wawa naman yung little one na to. Ang little one. Hindi ba nakatimpla ng milk? Kulang kasi yung dede ng Mama Pig Kaya wala siya. It's okay. Sige lang, bibi. Kain ka ng food mo mamaya. Tiga lang lagyan natin. Tsaka milk ha. Hello. Behave ba? Behave sila ba? Behave ang little one. Wag kayo dyan kay Mama Pig. Hello, Mama Pig. Hello. Wow, good boy and good girl ba? There are 10 boys and 5 girls. Piglets. Behave ba? Wala masyado. May nagagain-ingay. Hello. Wow.